How to transfer crypto from Binance to Ledger Nano S Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you can go ahead and transfer your cryptocurrency through this device right here. Now, this is pretty simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and generate your address on the Ledger Nano S Plus. From there, we are then going to use this address as a receiving address, and you want to go ahead and open up your Binance account right here. Once inside, just go ahead and navigate through the overview of your wallet, and from here you can then go ahead and see a button for withdrawal. So just click on withdraw, select your coin right here or your crypto asset, enter the address that we got from the Ledger Nano S Plus, and then we should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.